Keeping your home clean every day can feel exhausting. Dust, pet hair, crumbs, and carpets all need constant attention. That's why voice control robot vacuum cleaners are becoming a must-have in 2026. These smart devices can map your home, clean automatically, and even respond to app or voice commands, giving you a fully hands-free cleaning experience. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best voice control robot vacuums that offer powerful suction, smart navigation, and reliable performance for modern homes. Let's begin. Number 5. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ABIR X8 is a smart laser navigation robot vacuum built for efficient and organized home cleaning. It uses advanced LDS laser mapping to scan your rooms and create accurate multi-floor maps, making it perfect for multi-level houses. You can set zone cleaning, schedule tasks, and create restricted areas to protect carpets or sensitive spaces. With strong suction performance and smart app plus voice control support, it delivers a convenient hands-free experience. It's a great entry-level smart robot for everyday cleaning needs. Number 4. Liectroux X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Liectroux X6 is a powerful cleaning machine featuring up to 6,500 Pascal suction and advanced laser navigation for precise movement. It supports both vacuuming and wet mopping, making it a complete floor care solution for your home. With multi-floor mapping, you can save different layouts for different levels of your house. The app and voice control system allow easy scheduling and customization, while zone cleaning and restricted area settings give full control. It's ideal for users who want strong performance and wet-dry cleaning in one device. Number 3. LEFANT M2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The LEFANT M2 is designed with advanced DTOF laser navigation for highly accurate cleaning paths and smart coverage. It delivers around 6,000 PA suction power, making it very effective for pet hair, carpets, and daily dust buildup. Its anti-tangle brush system helps prevent hair clogs, reducing maintenance time. You can control cleaning zones, schedules, and settings through app or voice commands. Compact yet powerful, it's especially suitable for pet owners or busy households that need consistent and reliable cleaning performance every day, every year. Number 2. LILIN X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The LILIN X6 is a smart laser mapping robot vacuum designed for full home automation and convenience. It supports multiple floor mapping, allowing it to clean different levels of your home efficiently. You can set restricted zones to avoid carpets or delicate areas, ensuring safe cleaning. With voice and app control, you can easily start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions anytime. Its strong suction system handles dust, debris, and pet hair effectively. It also navigates smoothly around furniture, making cleaning completely stress-free and automatic. Number 1. BOAIMORE Robot Vacuum Cleaner Combo. The BOAIMORE Robot Vacuum Cleaner Combo is the most advanced option on this list, offering powerful 6,000 PA suction along with integrated mopping functionality. It features smart mapping technology for accurate navigation and supports app, remote, and voice control for full hands-free operation. The self-charging system ensures it automatically returns to its dock when the battery is low. It works efficiently on carpets, hard floors, and pet hair, making it a complete home cleaning solution. If you want top performance with maximum convenience, this is the best choice. Voice control robot vacuums are changing the way we clean our homes by combining smart mapping, strong suction, and full automation. From entry-level models to advanced vacuum mop combos, these top 5 options deliver reliable performance for different needs and budgets. They help save time, reduce effort, and keep your home consistently clean with minimal input. Whether you have pets, carpets, or large spaces, there's a perfect option here for you. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.